Enemy spot!
Stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.
Double
So
kill.
you better go live it up, cash in the bag. Stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits and the all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the phone back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop.
Triple kill.
Everybody's lane, call a shop. Loose to hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless.
Help me!
Face the pain, it's like candy cane.
Quadra kill.
To a better frame and to a better name. Society's the same, we all live for fame. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm
So guys, without wasting any time, so let's jump into the video. So guys, if you want this wallpaper link, so wallpaper link is in description, go download it from there. So guys, first open the file manager of your phone, as I am using Reset Achiever. Guys, note this that file password is in video, so watch the video carefully so you don't get any problems. So guys, then go to the downloaded folder and go to the folder where you have saved the file. Here's the folder. Now simply install this application. Guys, watch the video carefully because it can prevent you from getting any errors. As I will install the application, just wait for seconds. Guys, after the installation, simply open the application. Guys, click OK and tap to full screen. Guys, this is the old Android application, so that's why it is asking for full display. Now first open the first option. Here's the gamer box engine. Guys, put it to performance mode. Okay, and this will increase your performance of your Android phone and games. Now click to audio equalizer. Guys, you can see this, it is written if you are using this if your device has 1 GB of RAM. So if you have used 1 GB device RAM, so please don't use it. As you can see, guys, my device has some touch issue, so as you can see, turn on this option. Now go back and go to the CPU governor. Guys, this will help you to overclock your CPU. Click performance and go down and click performance. Guys, you have to put all the options to performance mode. Now the third option, graphic resolution. Guys, choose the lower graphics for the better performance. If you increase the graphics to very high graphics, you can get lag problem. Okay, I am using the 720p graphics and here also 720p. Now go back. Now the last option, memory management. Guys, turn on the Z-RAM performance because if your device supports the RAM plus option, you will get higher FPS. Very aggressive. Guys, if you like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
Stop this, I'ma steal everybody's lane, call a shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they